Check them onion rings out. Candy bacon wrapped onion rings. Alright, this is what you need to make them. I got 2 onions, large. We got some candy bacon rub from Good Old Boys, and then we got the sauce with no name from Uncle Steve Shake, and we got our bacon. How easy is that? That's the ingredients. So we're going with these rings like that right now. I just need 3 good rings for this meal for y'all. We're doing double. We're gonna go double. So there's 2 of them. All right, and there's our rings. 2 rings apiece. They're the outsiders. Now on your bacon, you want the thin bacon on there. All right, so I got 2 pieces of bacon, and it's gonna be 2 pieces of bacon per onion. I'll turn it over. I've already done that side on that one. We're gonna get it just like that with the candy bacon. We're gonna turn it right side up. Get it started, and you can roll these either way. It'll taste the same. Just roll what's comfortable for you. I rolled the last one the opposite way. Right there. There's number 1. Here comes number 2. We're just gonna call that one done. When we get the 3rd one, we'll be right back. Woo-wee! Look at them babies. We're just going with 3 right now. You can put these on any grill, oven, air fryer, whatever you want. Let's get them in there. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to set these in here. Yeah, we're just setting them in there like that. Alright, those look really good. Alright, let's go to the Blackstone air fryer. I'm just going to slide it in there. I got it on full. Let's go just under full. And let's check it in 5 minutes. Alright, we're at the 5-minute mark. I'll turn that off so you can hear me. Look at them. Well, they look pretty good. Of course, we got a little ways to go. Gigi likes them crispy. We're going to hit it for another 5 minutes. Alright, we're at the 10-minute mark. Ooh-wee! Look at that. You hear them sizzling? Oh, kind of messed up right there. That's Papa's. That's Papa. That's Gigi's right there. That's the perfect one. Alright, well, she wants hers crisp. I'm not worried about mine. I can eat them anyway. So, we're actually going to go 3 more minutes. Alright, that's 3-minute mark. There we go. Make sure it's focused. Alright, so there we go. The middle ones are perfect. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, and I'll show you saucing up Gigi's. Let's put it on, no, let's put it on here. I'm not sure which way. I need my thinner brush, actually. But we'll go with this. Let me get the rest of this sauced up. Of course, that was Uncle Steve Shake, the sauce with no name. Go check out his seasonings, his shakes. Link is always down below for you. Let me get the rest of these sauced up. We'll be right back. Check that out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I think next time what I would do, let me go ahead and stick them in here. Next time what I would do, I think I would take the ring out and dip it in a bowl of the sauce that I'm using, the barbecue sauce, whatever kind of sauce you're using, dip it down in there and pull it out and let it submerge in there. I think that would be freaking awesome. I'm fixing to do another one, but I'm not going to videotape it because it goes faster. And I may double up in there, let them touch each other and everything else, just get them done. Not a video I want to put out. I'm going to put them on here for 1 minute. We're going to see what happens. Alright, that's our turnout right there. Let's get it in on Gigi's. There we go. That looks pretty good, don't it? So I cooked them for 13 minutes, and then I put the sauce on for 1 minute. I'm actually going to close this, and it's still hot, heating up. and we'll be right back for a taste test. All right, so we're gonna set these aside. We're gonna go after this one right here and give it a taste test. Oh my goodness. I'll tell you what, you taste that onion for sure. That candy bacon and the sauce all together, the glazing of it, the way I did it, you will love this. Your family will love you. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We'll see you next Sunday on another cook. Have a good week.